guys, welcome to AmennyPropertyTV channel. Today's sessions, I would like to share about the cold calling strategy and also what will you expect in the whole cold call sessions and what is some preparations that you need to do in real estate business.
Because of that, we need to do a lot of cold calls to our customer, especially when we are getting a new property listing, especially when before the property handover or just newly handover, we need to engage our agents or our assistant to do a cold call. And because of that, a lot of them are having some fear or maybe some struggle, do not know actually what to talk to the property owner and what kind of the value added that we are able to offer to our clients. So therefore, I would like to actually show you the demo of how I do it, and also in my this Excel sheet that I'm going to tell you about what is the step-by-step procedure that actually as a real estate agent or as an assistant to your leader, what do you need to do so that actually you can get this job and a task complete in a short period. Now let me make the first call and I'll demo to you. So this is my fifth call already. Right, and first of all, I have already made a few calls and some of them are not actually able to pick up my call. So then hello, good afternoon. Is it Fazli?
Yes.
Oh, Fazli. Oh, okay. Good afternoon, yeah. I'm Amenny from Oneworld Real Estate Group. Oneworld Real Estate Group. I'm a real estate agent that in charge in Sky Lake resident. I just want to chat with you because I'm having a client that who in the rent to rent the property. I just wondering whether you got any intention to rent out your property.
Yes, but now in the process of renovation actually.
Alright.
The unit's ready, most likely I think.
Oh, okay. So yours is actually you put in a fully furnished or partly furnished?
I will say 80 to 90%. Not fully lah.
Not fully lah. So how much you expect to rent out then?
I expect about 7 or 8.
2000 or 2008 lah. So yours is 3 room, is it?
Yeah, 3 room.
3 rooms lah.
My unit is if landed, we call it en-lot lah.
En-lot lah.
En-lot.
Okay. So then
Big balcony.
oh, you have a big balcony. So do you have the maybe the renovations from your contractor that how it look like after you finish your do you have any renovation plan or maybe some images that after you finish your renovation how it look like?
Not yet.
Not yet lah.
I just will put a kitchen cabinet and washing machine, fridge, and already installed.
Alright. So then there's no dining table and the sofa set lah.
Sofa, no dining table, I will provide.
Oh, you will provide. Okay. Alright. In that case.
And also maybe in the master bedroom, I will also put a mattress and katil.
Oh, okay. The bed and mattress you put in, then the dining table you put in, except sofa. So then kitchen cabinet, all aircon, everything's there lah.
Aircon maybe on the master bedroom only.
Master bedroom only, Okay. I need to do some record first, Master bedroom got aircon. Okay. Then what about the
wardrobe? I will not provide.
Not provide the wardrobe lah. Alright. Okay.
Yeah.
So in that case then, I mean, if my client actually wants to view the property, when do you think is the best time that actually will be able to show them?
Yes, December onwards.
20th December Okay, let me put it 20th December onwards,
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So do you mind that actually is if it's a foreign family or you only one local family?
Depends. I can accept both local or foreign. But for the foreign family, I will their background first.
Okay, no issue. Because I usually will filter the client before I bring the clients to you.
Yeah.
I'm actually calling on behalf of one of my partner called Susan Wu. Either today or tomorrow, I will drop her this profile that actually is in the website. So this will be the website that actually having her profile, having some property listing. In case that in the future, then you want to, I mean, it maybe happens that actually this time then we couldn't find a tenant for you. Then in the future that you need our service like the tenant management or maybe some renovation or some repair and upkeep work, then you can actually go to this website to find us.
Sure. Yeah, I will.
Okay. So thank you for information. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Nice to speak to you, Fazli. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye. All right. So you can see that actually from here, if I am the assistant of Susan Hu, of this project specialist, what I'm doing is that I actually already lay out what will be the follow-up actions that are going for me. So the reason I'm doing this exercise is that in the future, I can build a further relationship with the property owner. So this is a part that actually I hope that you learn something and you will be able to put this whole cold call. So once after your cold call done and refer to the Excel sheet, you record everything that actually being shared by the property owner, and with that then you will be able to pass this information over to your leader or your partners in case that in the future you want to use the same master listing record to do the follow-up. So this is a part that actually I would like to share together with all the processes and also the checklist for you to speed up your marketing process and so that you can close more deal as a top agent, as a area specialist. Thank you for watching this video, and if you actually have any inquiries or Q&A, please don't forget to put into the chat. Ask me whatever information about your cold call to the public, and I will be able to assist you if we got the chance to meet in our next video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.